Hello student, today I am going to explain you one more problem. In this type of problem, we only draw the truth table. It's a 5-mark question. We have to draw the truth table to given condition. Okay, so here is the question. A football association coach analyzes the criteria for a win or draw of his team depending on the following conditions. The first condition is if the center and forward player perform well but defenders do not perform well. Or another condition is if goalkeeper and defenders perform well but center players do not perform well. And the last condition if all the players perform well. Okay, these are the conditions and inputs are C is for center players perform well. D variable, D input is a defenders perform well, F is the forward players perform well, and G for goalkeeper perform well. Okay, here is written in all the above cases 1 indicates yes and 0 indicates no. Okay, so we have to draw the truth table of the given input and the given condition. Okay, where your condition is fulfilled, your condition is true, then your answer will be in truth table, your answer will be 1, otherwise your answer will be 0. Clear? And next output is X denotes the win or draw criteria. 1 indicates win or draw and 0 indicates defeat in all cases. Clear? Now what is the question? Draw the truth table for the inputs and outputs given above and write the POS expression for X, C, D, F, G. These are the inputs. Okay, here is one more part is there. Reduce this expression using K-map. But now at that time this part is not coming in your exam. Means you no need to create or make the K-map. You have to make only and only truth table. It's a 5 marks question. If here is one more part is there, so this question will be 10 marks. But now last 3 or 4 years only you have to draw the truth table. Clear? Let's write the conditions. Here is if the center and forward players perform well, means C and F input, C for center player and F for forward player, means C and F. These two variables value will be true, but defenders do not perform well. Defender denoted by D. So D not. Okay, means C1, D0 and F1. Whenever you find this type of combination C1, D0, F1 in your truth table, your result will be true. Clear that? According to condition, center and forward player perform well. It means C and F without bar, means the C value is 1 and F value is 1. And defenders do not perform well. It means D is a perform well, it's a do not perform well. So we just opposite the value. D bar means it's a 0. Next condition is if goalkeeper and defenders perform well. Goalkeeper is a G and defender both are performing well. So D and G means D1, G1. Okay. But center players do not perform well. Center player means C. Do not means just opposite. It's a 0. Okay. Second condition is C bar D G means C value 0, D value is 1 and G value is 1. Whenever you find this type of combination in your truth table, your result will be true. Okay, your result will be 1. And here last condition is if all the players perform well, means C, D, F, G, all values will be 1. Then result will be 1. Clear? According to condition, we just find the combination of binary equivalent. Clear? Here 4 variables, so here we form the truth table for 4 variables. It's a 0 to 15 combinations. Clear that? After this, now let's see first condition. C value is 1, D value 0, F value is 1. So you search in your truth table, C value is 1, D 0, but F is 0. We have to see only consider only the given condition variable. Okay, means C, D and F, and we not consider the value of G. G value is 1 or 0, no problem, but these value you consider given by the condition. Okay, so C value is 1, D value 0, but F value is also 0. Here is no. In this, you see, in this condition is true. C value is 1, D value is 0 and F value is 1. Clear that? According to first condition, C value 1, D value 0 and F value 1. So here we find this type of combination. Okay, this type of combination. So here you write in X output is 1. Clear? Simple. After this, in this block, this condition means first condition fulfill here also. C value 1, D value 0, F value is 1. Okay, so here output will be 1. Okay, and rest of the part, no, condition is not true. After this, we are going to searching the second condition. Second condition, C value is 0, D value 1, G value 1. So C value is 0 and D value is 1. So here you can see no, this condition is false. In this, you can see in this condition, C value is 0, D value is 1 and G value is 1. Okay, so here output will be 1. Again here C value is 0, D value is 1, but G value is 0. No, this condition is not true. Here condition is true. C value 0, D value 1 and G value also 1. So in this part condition is true, so you will write here 1. Okay, now let's see the last condition. All variables, all values will be true. So it's the last one, 15, 1 1 1 1. So here result will be 1. Clear? Rest of the places you put 0. These conditions are not true. Okay, after this in the question given, you have to write the expression in POS form. POS form means product of sum. So in POS form, we consider which variable, which value? 0. Okay, so in POS form we consider 0. So here in output column, where you get the output 0, you put the variable or you put the expression of that particular column. Okay, here is output 0, so it's a M0. 0 is M1, M2, M3, M4. then it's M5, then M6, 7, M8, M9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So final expression of this this conditional question is, you can write the is given X, C, D, F, G. Okay, its expression is, how could write the expression? You know, here is M0, so you can write the expression of this C plus D plus F plus G. Okay, same here in this C plus D plus F plus G bar, because G value is 1 na, so we put bar here. Same here, C plus D plus F bar plus G. Here is M3, C plus D plus F bar plus G bar. Okay, here C plus D bar plus F plus G. Then here condition is true, M6, so it's a C plus D bar plus F bar plus G. Here C bar plus D plus F plus G. Here C bar plus D plus F plus G bar. Here condition is true, so where expression will be C bar plus D bar plus F plus G. Here C bar plus D bar plus F plus G bar, and here C bar plus D bar plus F bar plus G. Okay, so final expression is this. You can write here the final expression. How to write? In POS form means first of all you write the first one F, then within parentheses, then dot sign, then write the second one expression F plus G bar, like that. Okay, so you have to write the whole expression right like that. Okay, means POS form, product of sum. Clear? So it's a conditional question. Suppose here is given the expression, you have to write the expression in SOP form. So same procedure is there for SOP form. Only at the last, when you write the expression, you write the expression of the output where you get the output 1. Clear that? Suppose here output is 1, here output 1, 1, 1. So we mention the result or expression of the output where we get the output 1. Okay, same procedure to find the draw the truth table, same procedure as a SOP form or as a POS form. But at the last, when you write the expression in SOP form, we mention expression for getting output 1, and when we write the POS form expression, so we consider output as a 0. Clear?